Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Let me tell you when I taste it first. You tell them now for a day.
Shrimp and snow crab.
Wow.
Let's do a thumbnail, honey.
Hurry up, carry on, you know?
Okay. Before we dig in, even though Richie start digging in,
Oh, spicy.
check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Yeah.
We are back. I know you like it because I love it. You like it.
So today we decided to just do snow crabs and shrimp today. You know, usually we have mussels,
Everything.
egg, potato,
Yeah.
corn. But
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, you know, I miss those things. But
It's all right.
let's try to just
Simply
enjoy
today.
it how it is, yeah.
Yes, you know? Every day you can't get those, you know? And big up meals. It's spicy, man. It's spicy like you.
That sauce is good.
Put the napkin on your side because I know you're going to be needing a lot. You know, seafood family, you know what seafood, now you know what happened. When I get down to seafood, everything gets messed up. Beard and all. So first lady ma wipe me down.
Wipe me down.
So what's up? What's going on? What we get into this? Alright. Oh,
Ooh.
before anything, make sure everybody voted. Okay? That's all. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everybody went out there and voted. That's the #1 thing.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. That is good.
It's good, honey.
Family,
Yes, bad man.
I'm hungry today.
I'm hungry
I
too.
ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie one bit. I'm hungry today, family. So,
At work? I didn't eat much. You ate, honey, at work?
eat.
Eat on at work?
I'm not eating so much. I'm coming with some more eat.
The food was ready though.
It was.
Yeah, when the husband came because he said that I'm gonna be having his food ready.
Came home. Took me a nice shower. I ain't telling you my business. So what? If I didn't want to take a shower, it's my body.
What? Yeah, but your beard don't mind you.
I smell fresh like a snack right now.
Fresh and clean.
Yeah. You know, came home, took a shower.
Now you love use that word snack?
Snack. So you know what I'm saying? Look like a snack.
Yeah, me.
So I said I look like a snack. Miguel look like a snack.
You look like a
look like-
stud muffin.
That's even better.
Exactly.
But yeah,
Ooh.
today was a long day, a long rough day, but we got over it, you know?
Yep.
That's all we could do. Get over it.
We came home from work. First thing we did was we voted. And then came inside and sat down to come eat. Pepper man. Osh.
Pepper strong, man. I ain't got nothing too fancy. Oh, see that? Sun Kiss
With pepper.
Strawberry Lemon. This one is good lemonade. You can't see it, whatever.
Honey.
What?
You said you can't see it. Whatever.
Yeah, they said they can't see it, so I said whatever. Because I know they said, oh, I can't see it, so why you showing it and I can't see it? I said whatever. This sauce is good though.
Sauce is good. That
Mix it,
Game
mix it up.
Dash.
Is it in there?
Dame dash sauce.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie. My mix up look different. Cause it's mix up. I don't know what's in there. I'm not gonna be making any sauces. That's not my thing.
My first thing.
This is really good.
It is.
I don't think we've had
Leave by itself.
snow crab in a while.
That's what I'm saying.
Have we had it at all?
You want to be Hollywood, want to eat king crab. We never had snow crab. We did.
We did?
I don't know. We gotta go back. Did we? First lady. You tell the honest truth? I don't even know what we be having now. I
know.
Go
Just eat.
Yeah. I don't know what we be having, family.
But I do remember eating a lot of snow crab from the buffet.
Yeah, but we did. I don't think we did one in the video.
When me and you first started dating.
Yeah. Hold on. We go to buffet. Or you don't like buffet no more?
No, me don't like buffet.
I'm be knocking there, my girl.
No, man, you can have it. I have a lot over here.
That's the only time we eat it, but we never eat it on the channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we've had it on our own, like at home, and I've made it.
Yeah. Yep.
But never on the channel, not yet. But yeah.
So today is the first for everything. And I'm loving it. Ba 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 ba.
You guys put lemon on your seafood? I mean, it depends. I don't really do it. Richie doesn't really do it either. I don't see him doing it.
Here, yum lemon.
But I just do like a little. Let me see the difference.
Oh, yeah.
Family, this is so good.
The sauce is so good. Look at this. Look at the sauce.
That is a good sauce.
Sauce. Bashi.
The last time I made his sauce, I put extra pepper.
The sauce is good.
Let me get the snow crab. I'm gonna say king crab. Ooh.
It's well seasoned too.
I feel like snow crabs, they come naturally seasoned. Like,
Yeah. What?
I think I heard somebody say that we're gonna have a shirt that says
Food is good, son. What do you mean?
Come on. Ow!
Warren.
Honey, the Dame Dash sauce slap me, man.
Slap me, gonna
Whoa.
slap your mama.
Come on.
How was your week? Been going so far, y'all? Let us know.
Nope, no meat is in there.
What you been up to? Excuse me.
Already and just start?
Yeah, man. What you been up to? Same old same. Watching videos, huh?
Man.
Damn.
Whew.
First lady,
Yes?
who you talking to? You entertaining good. I can control some of this. Cause you move fast.
What? I'm not moving fast. Look at my side, look at your side.
You move fast.
You're moving fast.
Anytime you get seafood, you want to move fast.
I have to because if I don't move fast around you, I'm not gonna
Family,
get any.
every time we make seafood, she want to move fast as hell.
I have to. Richie, that guy, as you quint, Richie done yam five snow crab.
Family, calm down.
Oh God.
No.
If I eat fast, the
No.
seafood? Oh.
When you chat too much, you're doing your chest sometime. If you eat the skin, like you trying to get the juice out of the skin, I just probably me and you, first lady. You chew the skin to get all the juice and the flavors. Do y'all do that? Here we know. So what's going on? This is good. This is good. You know what? This is good.
I did myself today.
So it's simple.
Yeah. But tasty. We were thinking about this all day.
I thought first they nobody put no egg or no mussels on it. Just keep it simple. I'm hungry. Quick. So ain't fast. I ain't with it because I'm starving. That's why we ain't doing none of that. Usually, you know, we had this popping looking knife, you know?
It still look nice.
Still look good, you know? But, yeah, do you want eggs? Do you want mussels or no? Might take too long. So just keep it cheap and clean.
Cheap and clean.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't.
Teeth on my shrimp. I saw you. Don't play with me.
I did not teach.
Yes, you did.
Keep it up. Keep it
saw
up.
you.
Keep it up.
I saw you. They ain't gonna tell me because all they would do is say Team Shanice, Team Shanice.
You're jealous?
Yep. All Team Shanice. That's what I said.
God,
Why you want to
this sauce is just getting everywhere.
It's all over it, but that joint is good though.
It's good.
You put an extra spice in that shit. You don't want to give it none. Oh yeah. I like to be on your side, you know that, right?
Why not? It's the right side.
That's the good. I like that. Yep. They like to be on your side. It's all good though. It's all love. Your side is my side.
Let me tell you something.
What's up? You want my napkin? Are you good?
I'm a napkin. When I'm here eating, and I'm eating fast, like I said, in my mind, I think I'm eating fast, and when I go back and watch the video, I still look like I'm eating slow. Oh.
Here. Take it. Look at that. They didn't want it, huh? They said it's too late. Wow. I just want to dip it in here.
Yeah, you gotta dip it.
Slap it up in here.
The amount of time we said,
Now,
family,
enjoy hating, son.
you can't eat this and not say, I think it'd be wrong.
Have to. Have to.
No, family, we still don't have a story time for you today, but we will.
Alright, it's gonna come. They ask you for it? Yeah. We got one for y'all, don't worry. Next video, probably.
Yeah, because we do have a lot of stories, so. That's not the problem.
Yeah. And that ain't the problem. Sometimes we just gotta come in and just sit down and eat, you know?
Come on.
And relax, you know? Sometimes we just run that beef too much.
If we chat too much.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sometimes you want to eat. You know? You just run out of meat. There you go. Excuse me. Yeah. I thought you saying that, Joy.
I know.
That's
The
not
family gonna be like, can they say anything else? We can't.
Food is banging, son.
It was good. The only thing about the king crab is that the meat is a lot more meat.
Oh, yeah. You explain about the king crab.
Yeah. Is that it's a lot more meat. And you don't have to fight as much to find the meat, but I don't mind the fighting. That's why we like
Crab.
blue crab. And crab in general.
Yeah. Wow. My nose running first, lady? Oh. Bit hot, man.
I sneak it up on you? You wanna pause?
Nice, man. Hot. Do you fuck?
I don't know.
I want you being a 10, man. You never want to give me a nice thing?
I didn't put that much pepper in it. First of all, the onion is way hotter than this. So no way I show off for.
Yeah, how about? I dip it in, man.
Because you're dipping a lot.
I'm dipping a lot, son. I'm trying to get it all up in that joint, son.
I see.
Yeah.
You know what? What I want to try, family? The big colossal shrimp, like the big tiger shrimp.
Yeah, colossal shrimp money.
You? What do you mean? Wait.
Family, see, all you want to try is that she have the money. How you gonna get the money?
Excuse me.
You know
The big one, where all you need is 6. They look like lobster tails, but they're actually shrimp. That means you want to try it.
You can try anything. Anything is possible if you have the money.
Yeah, no, you have the money.
Broke. I ain't got no money, son. You got all my money.
No, no, broke, man.
First, I have all my money. I'm broke. I gotta ask first lady for allowance. It's all good.
Go ahead and tell people lies.
I'm not lying. I gotta ask you for allowance, son. I gotta say your first lady could have that to go do some window shopping. Most of the time, family, I do window shop.
I can't lie.
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Excuse my French.
One to your mayos.
Pause.
Oh. Yeah, you can go. I'm gonna still eat for you.
Really, nigga? I think that's because you think I run for you. Alright. I gotta hurry up and say this because first lady move fast when it's seafood. I told you that. Yeah, I gotta be quick with it. Okay, family. First lady, Pastor Rich in the building right now, okay?
You can't go long.
You see that? Alright. Family, learn to sit back and observe.
Ooh.
Not everything needs a reaction. You hear me? Learn to sit back and observe. Not everything needs a reaction. Put it in your own words.
I tell you that all the time.
I gotta hurry up and eat because lady.
How come you don't listen to that?
First lady chat too much because I want my food. Because first lady want to on my food. You love talk of your 4 or 5.
I'm 4 or 5? How about that?
You what?
Mayu, you can't come over to do something and then I don't know and I look embarrassing in front of the family.
You love chat of your beak, my youth.
I feel like we need more food.
We need one more food. This is a lot of food. This is full. You full up enough?
So I'll come in full yet.
Excuse me. Wow. You that full? I can't wait to yourself full. Wait, man, wait for yourself. You're full enough?
Me not gonna say full because I'm not full.
See? Wow.
You alright?
Wow. That one went down the wrong pipe.
Because you don't know how to stop talking while you're eating. Yeah.
That's true though. I gotta stop talking when I eat. Don't chat too much. Oh man, but this was good. Family, I'm trying to wait till the first lady says she's full. I'm waiting up, but she's not full.
I'm not. I'm not full, family.
I can't trick her today. She's not full. Usually?
Trick me? How?
Usually, 10 minutes into the video, she's already full. It didn't work today with seafood. She loves seafood.
I love seafood. Oh no, you don't hear me go,
Yeah. You ain't make that little sound yet. What happened?
The bowl hit me.
She ain't made that sound yet, so that means she's nowhere next to it yet.
The bowl tucked me up, man.
You can eat as much as you want for earlier. Nice, man. That's an ingredient, you know?
You can't handle pepper no more?
Never pepper, got a round pipe.
You can't handle pepper no more, man. Like what?
I'm trying to hurry right now because you move fast.
If anybody should be hurrying, it should be me. I know, what are you hurrying for? Oops.
You moving fast, girl. What y'all eating? What y'all eating? Let me know.
On this fine day.
Nice day.
Well, it's nighttime now.
Yeah.
Oh, family! Question. You have a new napkin, honey? How did you guys do with the new time change? Do you guys even like it? I don't like it. I think it's annoying.
Why?
Well, because we live in Florida and it gets so dark so early.
Well, yeah, that's true. Because when I get up to go work, that shit's already night in the morning, and I'll come back at night again.
Exactly. So, we should go to work and it's nighttime because it's early in the morning, and then when he come home, it's nighttime because it's later in the evening. Ooh, excuse me.
I'm a night owl.
But did you guys adjust to the new time yet? It's been a couple of days. Has anybody went to work late because they forgot to set their time?
For real. That's it happens.
But you can't do that now because the phone does it automatically, right?
Yeah. Remember then you had to go change everything? But some cars don't update.
Yeah. We have 2 clocks in our house. Up to now we ain't changed name one of them. What you looking over here for?
You know that knuckle part.
Huh?
How about that?
What you want me to do with it?
Try to do it.
It's mine.
You see, I like that part.
Make it eat him, I'm hungry.
She's showing knuckle seafood.
Ow! No. You gotta get what you can get around Richie.
What?
I'm telling you, honey.
I guarantee in here, you ate more than me.
No way.
Family, comment down if she ate more snow crab leggings. And be honest.
Okay.
Because everybody else say, me.
Okay, but you told them to be honest.
Oh, they gonna be honest.
And when they're honest, you said everybody gonna say me. You're being honest.
No, they be biased. Nah, be for real, man.
You gotta pick one. Either they're being honest or they're being biased.
You gonna see now. They shocked, they probably said, they waiting for you to say full long time, innit? First, they know full with seafood, man.
Ooh. Ooh. You know why? Because there's no potato. Sorry, there's no corn.
Well, you're gonna have to start doing that again then. I don't get enough of the food then. You gotta start doing that.
You get more than enough.
Because what I like when you're full. When you're full, that's what I eat, you know?
You ain't letting nothing. You ain't letting nothing go to waste.
I got my spoon.
Your fault?
Yeah. Nothing.
Nothing I got to waste.
Nothing now, waste.
Nothing now dash way.
Alright. Drink a little bit of my homemade drink.
I'm good.
You finished or you done?
I'm finished.
Alright. You don't say you finish? But.
Okay. I can officially say I'm starting to get full.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. You see that? She's full now, so it's my turn.
I said I'm starting.
Wow.
When do you guys start putting up your tree?
Oh yeah, for real. Ask them that, for real.
Like your Christmas tree. We put up our tree,
Real.
like about the weekend before Thanksgiving. Excuse me. That's when we put up. That's when we put up our tree.
That's true.
So that when we have family over, which this year is probably just gonna be my sister, you know, because of Corona, so they can at least admire the tree. Because if you think about it, no one gets to see your tree unless they're coming over.
True talk.
So sometimes I be seeing people a week before Christmas getting Christmas tree, like the live one. And we used to, well, for like 7 years we got a live Christmas tree. And what's the point?
They buy it for real. I think they're gonna plant it. What's the point of it for real?
What's the point of getting a Christmas tree
A week before Christmas.
How are you gonna enjoy the tree by the time you put it up and decorate it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And when do you take down your Christmas tree?
You know that some people have a room where their Christmas tree stay up all year. They don't take nothing down.
Yeah? Shrimp them done?
Yeah, man.
Yo, you're damn fast, man. I just say 2 shrimp run anything out with you.
Yep.
You're damn first lady, I'm not lying. Next time what you gonna do? The calypso?
The what?
The calypso.
What else?
You say calypso the shrimp.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, the
What you call it?
colossal?
Oh shit. Yeah, I know what that means. So what? Well, you're not used to something.
Come on.
Yeah. So what? If I say it the wrong way, they know I'm not used to it. You're not used to it neither, so don't act like you're used to it. So cut it out. Well, Richie.
No. You be butting up the family, you know.
Look at that.
I don't like this.
Listen, Richie, what are you saying? What is called, First Lady?
You move.
I'm telling you about your oh, yeah. That really going to go over.
What? You're going off and you get boxed up and kick up.
Tom. Yo, I can't believe you're full.
Damn, I gotta fight because if I don't hurry up and eat, you know, you think me I tell?
Yo, you ain't playing like you in a competition today, guys. You
That's
grab,
right.
I grab one, you grab a family. You see her? I'm watching her. I
ain't
grab one,
stupid.
she grab one.
Yeah.
Go.
You mud?
Mm-mm.
I ain't stupid. Shoot. Wow.
Mucho gracias. Me si bonita.
Oh.
Bonita. What we just say?
I'm here from the USA.
That shit was good, Tom.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
You heard what she said.